How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can flip your camera horizontal fast in OBS. So I'll show you on how you can do this with a simple few clicks. First things first, head over to your OBS. And in my case, I have it set up this way. And of course, you could just go ahead and look for the vertical sources that you have onto your sources right here. In my case, I'm going to be adding one just to make things a lot easier. Let's go ahead and add a video capture device. In here, let's select something like the OBS virtual camera, which will then look something like this. And now we have our camera output. Now to flip this very fast with a few clicks, you just have to right click on the actual sources right here, click transform, and then there's going to be the option for the flip horizontal right here. So just simply click on it and then it will flip your camera horizontally. That easy. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.